Part 2, Section 1 is short answers from prose. These questions are from question number 15 to 18. So you have one choice out of this. இதில் 4 prose questions கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க. இதில் ஒன்று நீங்கள் சாய்ஸில் விட்டுற முடியும். இந்த 4 கொஷினுமே எப்படி இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு கேட்டிங்கன்னா 7 ப்ரோஸ்ல இருந்து டிவைட் ஆகி லைக் ஈவனாக ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ண மாதிரி மேபி 1 3 4 7 இப்படி இருக்கலாம். இந்தந்த ப்ரோஸ்ல இருந்து கேட்டிருக்கலாம். அல்லது இப்படி ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ண மாதிரி ஈவனாக ஸ்கேட்டர் ஆன மாதிரி கொஷின்ஸாக கேட்பாங்க. இந்த கொஷின் சிம்பிளாக நீங்கள் ப்ரோஸை அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருந்தீங்க அப்படின்னா you can easily answer of your own. You don't think that you should memorize the answer and write. If you write it in general, you will get exact marks, but you should give the exact keywords, underline it with the pencil so that you will get complete marks for this short answers. So we'll check some short answers from each lessons.
In this video, we are going to look into prose short questions from question number 15 to 18. Let us check lesson wise. And you all know that there are 4 questions out of which you are going to write 3. And out of which your marks will be 6. For this, you wanted to read all the 7 proses. I have given you selected questions and you can go through the complete lesson so that you can answer any questions which you have. And this is your interesting first lesson is his first flight. So the first question is, why did the seagull fail to fly? The answer is the seagull failed to fly because he was afraid to fly. Here I have given the highlighted words for the slow learners to remember the only word. The answer is afraid. So if you remember this, you can pick the answers from the question. Say, look at this. For any answer, you want to remove the question words and the question mark. And if you write this itself, you will get half a mark or 1 mark. And the main answer is afraid. Okay. Likewise, I have given for the questions. And the second question is, what did the parents do when the young seagull failed to fly? His parents called to him shrilly. They scolded and threatened to let him starve. And the third question is, what did the young seagull manage to find in his search for food on the ledge? See, look at the answer. The main answers are underlined and darkened. The young seagull managed to find the dried piece of eggshell to eat. What made the young seagull go mad? The sight of the food made the young seagull go mad. The fifth question is, why did the young bird utter a joyful scream? The seagull's mother showed him food, so the young seagull uttered a joyful scream. Here the main word is mother showed him food is the important thing. What did the young bird's family do when he started flying? His father and mother flew over him screaming. His 2 brothers and sisters were flying around him, soaring and diving. How was the young seagull's first attempt to fly? The young seagull was afraid. He felt that his wings would never support him, so he was desperate. What prompted the young seagull to fly finally? The young seagull was maddened by hunger. He wanted his mother to offer him the fish. This made him dive at the fish. So these are some of the questions from first lesson we have seen. Now this lesson 2, the night the ghost got in. Where was the author when he heard the noise? The author had just stepped out of the bathtub when he heard the noise. What did the narrator think the unusual sound was? The narrator thought that the unusual sound was that of a ghost. What were the various sounds the brothers heard when they went downstairs? When the brothers went downstairs, they heard the steps like a man running. What did the Boardwells think when they heard the mother shout? The Boardwells thought that there were burglars in their house. What conclusion did grandfather jump to when he saw the cops? The grandfather thought that the cops were all deserters from General Meade's army. What do you understand by the mother's act of throwing the shoe? I feel that the mother's act of throwing the shoe was incomparable. It was unwanted and unnecessary at that moment. Why do you think Mrs. Boardwell wanted to sell the house? Mrs. Boardwell wanted to sell the house because her husband had mild attacks earlier. Why were the policemen prevented from entering grandfather's room? The grandfather was going through fits and he may be shocked to see them at night. So the policemen were prevented from entering grandfather's room. And this is about lesson 3, empowered women navigating the. What does INSV stand for? INSV stand for Indian Naval Ship Vessel. When was INSV Tarini commissioned to Indian Navy services? INSV Tarini commissioned to Indian Navy service on 18th of February 2017. Who is Tara Tarini, after whom was the sailboat named? Patron deity for sailors. It was named after a famous Tara Tarini temple. Where did the crew undergo their basic training? They undergo the training in Indian Naval Watermanship Training Center, INWTC. That is the expansion. This is the expansion for INWTC. How long were they trained to undergo this voyage? For almost 3 years they underwent training to the voyage. Which skill was considered important in the selection process? Survival skills were considered important. Who mentored the crew? Vartika Joshi mentored the crew. Which quality of the skipper helped to bring out a successful expedition? Honesty and teamwork helped to bring out. Who among the crew mentioned about teamwork? Payal Gupta mentioned about teamwork. When did they return back to India? In April 2018, they returned back to India. Lesson 4, the attic. Why did Aditya think that the school would not be recognizable? The school had undergone many changes, so Aditya thought that the school would not be recognizable. How was the landscape through which they travelled? The landscape through which they travelled were with paddy fields on either side of the road. What did Nagan uncle tell about Sanyal? Nagan uncle told that Sanyal was short of sight and hearing. He had no money to buy spectacles. Why was the attic a favorite place for the children? The child seems to be in a world of its own away from the adult world, so attic was their favorite place. What did Aditya do on reaching the attic? On reaching the attic, Aditya searched for an article and found it on the top of the packing case in the attic. What was the condition of the attic? The attic had probably been the worst hit by wind and weather. The floor was strewn with twigs and straw and pigeon droppings. Why was Aditya and his friend go to the jeweler? Aditya and his friend went to a jeweler to find out the weight of the antique medal. Lesson 5, Tech Bloomers. What is the future of technology? The future of technology is more advanced. How many people in India suffer with this disability? 2.7 crore people living with disability. Who is Kim? Kim is assistive technologist. How does Kim help Alicia? Kim helped Alicia by introducing Dragon Dictate. Why is technology important according to David? It enables him to communicate and be independent. Thus, technology is important according to David. Here, the main points are given. You want to add the answers which are from questions. Which instrument does David control with his eye movements? Liberator communication device, shortly known as LCD control, with his eyes. He controls this with his eyes. What device CE helps David to move from one place to other? Electric wheelchair helps David to move. What are the benefits of the internet to the common man? It helps to expand his knowledge and to communicate with people. Do you think technology has improved communication? If so, how? Yes, it even helps to disable people. How does David operate computer without LCD? David operates computer with his eyes. Lesson 6, the last lesson. What was the usual scene when school began every day? When school began, there was a great commotion which could be heard out in the street. Students would open and close the desks and would repeat lessons in union very loud, and the teacher would go around with a great ruler rapping on the table. What was Franz asked to tell? Was he able to answer? Franz was asked to tell the rules of participles and he was not able to answer the question. What did M. Hamel say about the French language? Teacher said that the French language was the most beautiful, clearest and most logical language of the world. How many years had M. Hamel been in the village? M. Hamel had been in the village for 40 years. Why did Franz dread to go to the school that day? Franz did not study participles and the teacher would ask questions on participles, so he was afraid to go to school. What was Franz sorry for? Franz was sorry for having not learned French properly. What were the thoughts of the narrator's parents? The narrator's parents thought that it would be better to go to work and earn some extra money than to learn French. When and how did M. Hamel bid farewell to the class? When the bell struck 12, he stood up, he addressed the class as friends and wrote on the board with chalk piece, Viva la France. Then he said the class was dismissal. Lesson 7, The Dying Detective. Why didn't the landlady call the doctor? Holmes did not allow the landlady to call a doctor. She did not want to disobey Holmes. Who did Watson see when he entered the room? Watson saw a small black and white ivory box with sliding lid when he entered the room. Who was responsible for Victor Savage's death? What was the evidence for it? Smith was responsible for Victor Savage's death. His self-proclamation was the evidence for it. How was Holmes able to look sick? Holmes did not eat for 3 days and he did some makeup to look sick. Why didn't Holmes let Watson examine him? Actually, Holmes was not sick. He pretended to be sick to solve a murder case, so he did not let Watson examine him. What did Watson find on the table near the mantelpiece? Watson found an ivory box on the table near the mantelpiece. Who arrested Smith? What were the charges against him? Inspector Morton arrested Smith. Smith was the murderer of his nephew Savage, and he attempted to murder Holmes.